Let me say this up front. If you're over 50 and you haven't taken a driver education course in the last 5 years, you're overdue. Not because you're a bad driver, not because someone's trying to take your keys, but because the roads have changed. The cars have changed. And let's be honest, so have we. As we age, we lose some sharpness. Reaction time slows down, eyesight changes, hearing fades, and flexibility drops. You may still feel good behind the wheel, but physically, you're not 35 anymore. And that affects your driving, whether you admit it or not. Let's talk about traffic laws. If you haven't noticed, roundabouts are popping up everywhere. Left turn lanes now have flashing yellow arrows. There are new pedestrian zones, bike lanes, red light cameras, and distracted driving laws that didn't even exist 15 years ago. Here's what the crash data shows. Senior drivers are more likely to be in a fatal crash per mile driven than younger adults. The common causes? Failure to yield, misjudging left turns, rear-end collisions, trouble merging. Taking a senior driver course isn't about passing or failing. It's about updating your skills, learning how to manage slower reaction times, how to work with your car's new safety features, and how to avoid the most common types of crashes. And here's a bonus. In many states, taking a certified course gets you a discount on your car insurance, which is never a bad thing.